everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about the most viral Korean serum at the moment, that is Anua Niacinamide 10% plus TXA 4% serum. So in a recent video I talked about top 5 viral Anua products, and in that video I talked about this product as well, but that was a quick review video of all those 5 products, and I wanted to make a detailed video of this particular product because this has been going insanely viral all over the TikTok. People absolutely love this product, and that's why I'm here with the video. So let's quickly jump into the video and talk about this product. So I'm gonna start off with the pricing first. So this particular product costed $21.58 on YesStyle. However, this is a current sale price, the sale that is going on YesStyle. Otherwise, the actual price of this product is $32 for 30 ml of product. So now let's talk about the ingredient list. This product contains some highly concentrated ingredients, and the number one is niacinamide, which is 10%. Now niacinamide is a great ingredient. It helps fading away your dark spot. It works amazing for almost all skin types, and because of the highest percentage of niacinamide in this product, it really helps fading away your dark spots and hyperpigmentation. The next ingredient in this one is 4% tranexamic acid. Now that particular ingredient is amazing in dealing with the stubborn dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and it also helps with skin discoloration. So for all those of you who have like hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone, this product can help dealing with that. Apart from these two ingredients, this also contains 2% arbitron that helps correcting uneven skin tone because it limits the melanin production in your skin. It also includes glycerin, Alpha-Arbutin. Now Alpha-Arbutin is skin brightening agent that helps with brightening your dull skin. And apart from this, this also contains few oils in this. This is not an oil-free serum. This includes 5 different type of oils that I'm gonna mention in the description bar. And please check those ingredients before buying this product in case one or the other ingredient doesn't suit you. Now let's talk about the texture of this product. This product has a very runny texture, which makes it very non-sticky and lightweight. And because of the strong ingredient that this product contains, it is a very effective serum. And one more most important thing that I want to mention here, if you are someone with super sensitive skin or allergic skin who have like fungal acne, stay away from this product because this product contains some ingredients that are not fungal acne safe. And even if you are normal skin, try to take a patch test on the back of your ear before directly applying it onto your skin because it contains very strong ingredients. So if this serum suits you, it's gonna help evening out your skin and removing the dark spots and acne marks. But you need to be very careful while using this serum because of the kind of ingredient this has. Also, some of the very strong ingredients include BHA, ceramides, niacinamide, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. And because it has a very strong percentage of these ingredients, that is why it becomes really important to apply sunscreen and make sure it's SPF 30 or higher. Otherwise, you are just gonna damage your skin furthermore. Now, this particular serum is alcohol-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free, but this is not fragrance-free product. Although this product doesn't include any artificial fragrance or any perfume in it, this does include an ingredient that is European fruit oil, which is basically olive oil. So it has a slight fragrance of olive oil. Now, what I feel about this product is like, if you are someone with stubborn acne marks or with hyperpigmentation or uneven skin tone, this product is gonna change your skin. You will gonna see results within 2 weeks after using this serum if this serum suits you. I will also recommend start using this serum twice or maximum thrice a week because of the stronger concentrates that it has. It also has BHA, which is like an exfoliating agent. So try not to use this product every single day. Once your skin is habitual of this product, then you can start using this product every other day, but start with maximum 2 to 3 days a week. So yeah, that is all that I wanted to share about this product in this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.